Will today's Fed meeting break Bitcoin to the downside or to the upside? This is what we will speak about, Bratans. And I have a new crypto project which could potentially do 100x. This is what we will speak about, Bratans. So let's go right now and quickly watch about the Fed. So this is very important. Here's everything the Fed is expecting to do Wednesday. So let me quickly explain you here. Let me read for you. Markets have priced in a near 100% certainty that the Fed will announce an interest rate hike of 0.25 percentage point when its meeting wraps up Wednesday. So the first thing is this, what I said. If we will see rate hike of 0.25%, we will likely see Bitcoin to going to the upside. Even if we see 0.5%, we will see Bitcoin going to the upside, right? In my opinion, or let's better say the probability is more likely that we will see it going to the upside. If they will make a rate hike of 0.75% or 1%, then obviously we will see big break to the downside. And I explain you why we see, even if we see a rate hike of 0.5%, even higher than the expectation, in my opinion, we will see still a pump to the upside. I explain you why, because here is the second point. But the focus likely will be more on Chairman Jerome Powell, who could push back on the idea of loser Fed later this year. And this is amazing because the market pricing already in that the Fed, or the Chairman Jerome Powell, will say that the Fed will not loses the strings, or how to call the strings, or how to call. So they will not. They will still try to break something in the economy. So it means they will still hiking the rates, right? I hope you understand what I mean. I mean, this is amazing because it's already priced in that Jerome Powell will be negative regarding that the Fed will not decrease the rate hikes, right? So this is amazing. So it means, in my opinion, it's already priced in. So we will not expect that Jerome Powell will say later this year the Fed will not anymore hiking the interest rate and so on. I mean, if he will say it, we will see immediately pump to 30K, but he will not, and it's already priced in that he will not say. So this is amazing, Bratan. This is amazing. So in my opinion, this means we will see high volatility. In about 3 hours, the Fed meeting will be, and you can watch it live. Not my channel, but on YouTube you can watch it live. And I expecting the high volatility to up and to downside to liquidate everyone. And then I expecting that we will break further to the upside. I mean, it's not a financial advice, Bratans, but this is what is right now priced in, and it's amazing. So the probability that we are going to the upside more likely than to downside. And I speak in a second also about this potential new 100x coin, Bratans. But let me quickly first go right now in the charts and watch here. By the way, Bratan, if you want all this information and more, you can join my Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. And here you see it. I have one group which is absolutely for free. You get the newest news about crypto. You get also, for example, GameFi crypto watch list. I showed you here GameFi crypto watch list, top 5 crypto GameFi coins to watch in 2023. I will not open here right now for you. So if you want to check out, go right now. Link is down below. How to join the Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. I tell you in a second, Bratans, because you get also access to my Discord channel for free, where you can learn more about trading, about research, about crypto, absolutely for free, Bratans. A trading course for beginner and advanced traders. And now how you can join it, it's very easy, Bratan. Here it's basically, wait a minute, bляха, why it's not, wait a minute, твою что мать, блядь. Okay, okay, you see here, link in the description. It's basically 2 steps. Make a registration on Bybit, deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram channel. It's basically these 2 steps. $500 initial deposit on your Bybit account. You can use it for trading, you can use it for buying Bitcoin, or you can just move it back to your account wherever it came from. So it doesn't matter, Bradans. It's very easy. It's absolutely for free. This is one group and one Telegram group, Discord and Telegram group, which is absolutely for free. In a second, I will tell you also my next 100x hidden gem. Let's quickly watch again in the chart. So if how you're expecting Bitcoin will break to the upside, I'm in a long also. I show you also my long position. Wait a second. I show you my long position. Here's my long position. My long position is at the moment $1,150 in profit, $11,000 in profit right now. So this looks amazing. And what I'm expecting here, so I expecting it's a long opportunity right now. Or if we're breaking this white line, I expecting that Bitcoin will pump to 24,400. So this would be 4.6% pump, a long opportunity, right? Obviously, if we're clearly breaking below this yellow line with a clear 15-minute candle closing, so below 22,560, this could be, for a day trader, this could be a long opportunity. I will stay in my long, but for day trader, this could be a long opportunity. Short opportunity. The first price would be 21,400, and the next one would be 20,050, and the last one 19,400. I would say better 19,500 approximate. So 13.8% short opportunity in case we are breaking here this yellow line to the downside around 22,600 and 2,500 with a clear 15-minute candle closing, because this is a massive resistance line. See here, resistance. Here it turned perfectly into support, and right now you see we are waiting the Fed meeting. We are tested the support line. We are retested the resistance line. So this is what I told you also in my Telegram group, bratans. So watch out for this. And what I'm expecting also Bitcoin going further to the upside. The first price tag 24,400, and the next one would be, by the way, I also told you that Bitcoin forming here in our Telegram group. Wait, come, I show you what I showed you. Because I mean it's easier, and you see that I'm not only speaking here. I showed you today in the morning. Wait a minute. This was in our private group. Okay, this was in. I have two groups, bratans. I have two groups. One group is open group. This is where you can find signals and also my summary of my videos. And in the second group, I have another signal group for professional trader where I have a full report. I explain in a second. Doesn't matter. I explain you right now where is. I hope you're not confused. The bull flag, which I showed you also in the Telegram group. Here we see this bull flag is forming right now, and this is amazing, bratan. You see here, it's from the top to the upside. And what is the price target? The price target is, like I tell you, since weeks is around 30K. Yes, we can see Bitcoin going to 30K. If we are watching right now on the weekly, in order to understand what's happening here, the first big resistance line coming at 24,400, what I told you, because here you see a lot of resistance back in the past in August, and here back in 2020, 2 years ago, also in December, you see a support and resistance coming in. So this is the first resistance which we have to break. Then we have here a big resistance area, 25K, 25,800. As soon as we break between 25,800 and 6,800, the next price target would be 30K, and the last price target is around 35K. This white line, and this white line you see back in the past, it's support, and here it would turn into a resistance. So I expecting here, this not the bull run, this small relief rally. All in all, from the bottom, this would be a pump of over 130%. This is nothing compared to our previous bull run 2018-19. There we had a pump in the bear market of relief pump of over 380% before we saw another dump. And I expecting also another dump after this relief rally to at least 15,000 or even to 7,000 later this year, when the Fed is more tightening the percentage, more tightening the interest rates, right? So this on Bitcoin. Let me quickly show you Ethereum, because we have a lot of Ethereum investors also, and I'm also invested heavily in Ethereum. So I expecting, if Bitcoin will pump Ethereum to pumping to 1,785, and next price tag would be around $2,000. This would be pump of 27%, bratans. And in the whole relief rally, I'm expecting Ethereum to go between 2,500, because you see here a lot of support coming in, and here it was based on past big resist support area. And the next price target, the highest what I'm expecting for Ethereum here in this relief rally at 3,500. So around 118%. And right now, let me quickly speak about this 100 X gem, bratan. It's absolutely not a financial advice. You have to do your own research, but this is what I did here for you. I showed you. Wait a minute here. Now, I mean, you can turn the video off, or you can watch the next video, because I quickly explain you about this coin and how you can find it and how I can help you with the research. So we have here, this is called the Pontem network, and this crypto project is not released yet, but this Pontem network is built on Aptos Labs, and you saw what happened with Aptos, bratans. Also, we covered Aptos weeks ago, before it had this massive pump. So if you're watching really every of my video, then you know, or you took this pump also, because it pumped here from $3 to, I mean, the all-time high was around $20, so it's over 400% in this relief rally. So Aptos is a project which we are watching for 2025. 2025, this is when we're expecting the next all-time high of Bitcoin. So the next bull run, 2024, 2025, after the Bitcoin halving. And this project, which called Pontem, this project is built on Aptos Labs. So this is amazing. And by the way, bratans, I'm not paid by this project. I'm not advisor, nothing. So this is really, unfortunately, I would be very happy. But this is one where I have insider information which could go or make 100x. But please do your own research. It's not a financial advice. This project could be also a scam. I don't know. According to my research and according to my people who are in my inner circle, which are VCs, which big investors, they're heavily invested in this project, and I'm trusting them. So this is this also a friend of mine which called exactly all-time high of Bitcoin at 69K. And also the bottom, so I'm really trusting him. So what I want to say, here you see also my free Telegram group, you get this information also, a short summary, and if you want to have a full report, you can get here into my private group, which is only for $30 a month. Why $30 a month? I mean, it's nothing. If you are in the crypto space, you know, other signals group and so on, are you paying $100 or $200. This fee I use for my team who is doing the research, who is doing the news for you, and so on. So I want to build a team which is like in my investors and VCs, they have always research teams, right? And I thought, why should only one company have this private information if we could share a big team and provide this information to everyone? So this group, you don't have to go inside in this group. It's just for more professional people, right? So for professional people who are more in details, who are more like for long time in crypto, this group is for them, bratans. So if you are new in crypto, this free Telegram group and especially this free Discord channel where you can learn about crypto is enough for you. This is only for really professional traders who want to go in deep into this research in this report. It's several pages long. You can watch the team, who is the team behind in this Pontem network, how it's connected to other projects, and so on and so on. So if you want, you can join it, but please only through the link in the description or in this Telegram group, because there's a lot of fakes who want to collect just your money and steal the money. So please watch out for it, bratans. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you and I see you later. Mwah.